to prepare manufacturing overhead budget, similar like a raw material purchase budget and the labor budget, we need to know our production units. And once we know how many do we need to produce, so we can calculate how much do we need to spend on the raw material for each quarter, and how much do we need to pay for labors for each quarter. And similarly, like we can calculate how much overhead do we need to apply for each quarter. So the question told us that we had two kind of cost, 1 million per quarter for the fixed cost and $50 per unit as a variable cost. So let's put down the information we already know, $1 million per quarter. So that's the fixed overhead cost, $1 million. Okay, $1 million for every quarter. And budget production, we can get numbers here. Show values. Okay, and overhead rate is $50 per unit. And so we know the rate for the overhead, and we know the production units, so we can calculate the total variable overhead. Is 50 times the production requirement for quarter one, and we get $1,795,000 as a variable cost for the quarter one. Same math, we can get the variable overhead cost for quarter two and quarter three. And we know our variable cost, we add our fixed cost, so we get the total budget manufacturing overhead. And these are total manufacturing overhead for each quarter.